Apple's latest iPad Pro is their biggest mistake yet. Find out why in this review. Welcome back to New in AI. Today we're diving into the newly released M4 iPad Pro. Apple promised us groundbreaking features and improvements, but did they deliver? Let's find out. So, what's the big issue with the M4 iPad Pro? For the first time ever, Apple's best chip, the M4, is in a tablet, not a Mac. This move has left many consumers puzzled and questioning Apple's decision. Why put their most powerful chip in a device that's typically secondary to their laptops? Let's talk about the 11-inch M4 iPad Pro's design. It's incredibly sleek, just 5.3 millimeters in thickness and weighing less than a pound. This makes it the most portable device I've used since the discontinued 12-inch MacBook. The new Ultra Retina XDR display with tandem OLED technology is stunning. The brightest and warmest visuals ever on an iPad. But does this make it the best drawing tablet? Apple has made some design changes like moving the front-facing camera to the landscape edge for better video calls. The new Magic Keyboard feels more premium with an aluminum finish. It includes a function row for quick access to features like screen brightness and volume controls. Despite these upgrades, the lack of a full computer experience due to iPadOS restrictions remains a significant drawback. Here's the pivotal moment. Despite all the amazing hardware, the M4 iPad Pro struggles to replace a laptop for most users. The limitations of iPadOS, especially in multitasking and functionality compared to macOS, mean that the ultimate portable computer isn't quite there. The high price tag, starting at $899 without the essential accessories, adds to the frustration. You're paying nearly $1,000 for all the bells and whistles, but the software can't fully utilize the powerful hardware. In summary, while the M4 iPad Pro boasts incredible hardware and a stunning design, Apple's decision to put their best chip in a tablet rather than a Mac has left many users disappointed. The software limitations and high cost make it hard to justify the upgrade. Apple calls this their ultimate vision for the iPad, but without a more capable OS, it falls short. What do you think about the M4 iPad Pro? Is it worth the investment, or did Apple miss the mark? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. We love you.